These toilets are slightly different to some of the other toilets they have on site. Some of the other toilets have butt joint where the tiles basically join themselves. Within these ones you have the spine tiles, which you'll see in the corners. Now those spine tiles actually make the exercise more difficult because they're on a curvature, which means that the walls when you join have to be plumb, because if they're not, the tiles drift in and out, and therefore you never get a true straight line. Traditionally, when you're doing tiling, the size of the tile dictates as to how precise you have to be with the walls. With a 150 by 150 tile or 3mm bed of adhesive, you don't get much fluctuations across the wall. When you have bigger tiles, you're able to actually lose that distance through the wall. But when you actually use 150 by 150, the walls have to be true. If the wall runs out or it dives out by 3 or 4mm, you end up with undulations through the wall. It's mainly complicated purely down to the size of the space. It's more logistical than it is in terms of the complexity of the work you're doing. So the work you're actually trying to deliver, it was quite simplistic. If this was a large wall in an open area, you do meters and put it day upon day, but when you put it into a confined space, you've actually got to do quite a lot of forward planning to ensure that you're not tripping up in yourselves and the space is free and clear for people to work on a day-to-day basis. So the tiling's brought up to a point that it's grouted and ready. We've got light boxes to be fitted which have a timber backing and a metal surround. We have a concealed mirror with a secret locking mechanism which Lucas Joinery is putting together. That will be obviously sit within the shallow void, be used as the main point of access for your taps, your sink and your sanitary ware. We've still got to black out the top of the ceiling, install the mesh ceiling, and within that has light fittings, so that's a bespoke canal ceiling which has been designed to the period within the space. Once we've done all the high level, we'll then come down, put the sanitary ware in, install all the sanitary ware, and the very last thing will be to swing the doors.